starting here at the pattern and the endpoint. Okay, now let's take a look at this is just a it's called remaining level of effort, or I call it okay. For prevent, it's just a name for the label for the bar type. Okay, but it means something. Just cancel that because that's not the right thing. Right? Remaining level of effort. Remaining work is based on early scale. Critical remaining. Okay, now. And here there is a time scale. This basically is the dates, the start and the finish of the bar on what basis you're gonna have. You don't have too many bases, okay? Either early schedule or late schedule. So the remaining work is the early schedule. And if I want to see a late schedule, I don't see that here. Okay? I want to go and add a late schedule, late bar for each activity. For each activity, I'm gonna see the early bar and the late bar. Is that clear? So I'm going to add that, and I'm going to say this is based on latest schedule. So if you say current schedule or remaining schedule, that basically is based on early. If late, you need to tell the system that it's clear. And basically, you pick the time scale. If I click here, for example, remaining bar. Remaining bar is based on early, right? Remaining bar early. This is early. If I want a late bar, I need to go and change. Define a new bar called the late bar or my late bar and add the time scale based on late schedule. Okay, there is a bar that is the flow. Just show me from the late finish, sorry, the early finish to the late finish and the draw. Okay, so let me add the new bar for the late schedule. Okay, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna add a new bar, and I'm gonna call that the new bar is my late. Okay. And this one is not current, okay? I will talk about the row in a minute, but let me put this to and apply. See here, I put a blue one, and for every activity it's the same, right? Because there I define that to be current bar. Current bar, I said it's an early bar, right? If I want a late bar, I'm gonna go there, and if I click it, give me different options. I want to have my late bar, okay? And I want the color to be orange. And now I can see the activity. Okay? The activities that are critical, the late bar and early bar is the same. Can you see that? But the activities that are not critical, this is the late bar, this is the early bar. That means this activity has a flow, right? This one is 7 days flow. Look when it has, which one has the largest number? 18. Look at the 18. Which one? Can you read the name of the 18? It's stored in exterior load, right? Look at the bar from here to here. There's a big difference between the bars. If I slide it in, I need to slide 18 days to become this one. There is another one called the float bar. I want to draw that to show you that it's from late finish to the, from the early finish to the late finish of the activity. So I'm going to add another bar. Actually, it's one of the bars that I've already defined. There is here a bar called float bar. Can you see it? That's the float bar. And it's a 10. The black is only for the float bar. So I'm going to say display that. And from the list here, there's something called the float bar. That is the total float. If I apply it, look at it, it's a black line from the end of the red, green, to the end of the orange. Is that here? We'll go back to the bar. Let's take the list that we did so far. We're going to take the float bar. I don't have that, and let's take the late bar out. Any questions so far? Okay. So that's basically what we have. It's the display is to display the bar or not. I have the late bar still there. I didn't delete it, right? But I'm saying don't display. If I want to display it, I just go there and I say display late. I'll display. So any question about the display? This is just a name. You just give it any name you want. There are defaults that are prepared, which we're gonna use most of the time. Okay? This is the time scale. It tells you whether it is actual bar, current bar, early bar, float bar, late bar, negative float bar, if there is a negative float. So all these, and we will deal in comparison with the baseline later. We will do update to use the other baseline bar and remaining bar. Remaining bar and current bar in our schedule so far is the same. Okay? This is if you don't want to do the time scale, you want to do it from a start date to a finish date, user defined date. Let's say I want from this date to that date. Usually you do this. This is basically the fit. Why these activities are given green and why this one is red, which basically talking about these two. Here we're saying only for critical activities, okay, I want to have the red one. And that's basically based on the filter. Look at the filter. If I click on that, then open the filter that we have. And I can see two things highlighted. It's a critical activity and it's a normal activity. Normal, that means it's not a milestone or a liberal activity. That's the filter. Is that clear? And for those, if the activity matches these two filters, that means it's a critical, it's going to give it red. And that's what we have there. It's red because it's matching any activity that has a flow, it's critical, so the flow is 0, is given red. This one, it says any activity that is normal activity and non-critical, give it the green. So basically, which bar for each activity, what bar is going to follow, it depends on the filter that's assigned to that one. If within that filter is not critical, it's going to get the green. If it's critical, it's going to get the red. If you look at the bar for the level of effort, okay, the filter that is used is just if the activity is level of effort. If the activity is level of effort, use that formula. Understand? And there is one code at the end, we have the milestone. Can you see the milestone? That's where it's coming, the milestone. So what is the milestone? The milestone bar is basically give me a bar that is a blank from the start to the end. Give me the shape, which is the diamond, okay? And since it doesn't have a finish, it's not milestone, it doesn't have a finish, one is going to do that in green. And there's a space you would have no bar because it's actually, there is something wrong, but it's white. Clear? And the same thing with the finished milestone. It's not going to use this, it's using this bar, and sorry, this end point, which is black, and no bar. And that's the definition of milestone. If I take that out, don't display it, I'm not going to see milestone. See, I don't see the milestone. And if I have it correct there, and I say this, here, if I make this, okay, let me apply it first. For the NTP, if I do this as purple, would you see a purple here? No. How this one? I'm not going to still black, right? Why? It's showing NTP. It's showing that
It's overlapped.
Yeah, it's showing there. You know why? Because this part here, the purple is defined here, but it's going to apply to both. It's applying it to both. I expect it to be one of them only, not two. So I thought that the finished milestone